This morning we are going to look at a bass line from the Talking Heads album Adult Alternatives out of 1977. The song is Psycho Killer. The bass player and composer of this line is Tina Weymouth. If those of you who don't know Tina Weymouth, do some Googling, check her out because she is pretty funky. Bass line is not that difficult, but it has a really solid groove and it plays great with this song. So we're going to talk about it and learn how to play it today. It may not be note perfect because I'm not that good, but I think if you needed to, you can use what I'm going to show you here to get through a gig with the song, and I think it is pretty close. So if you have some alterations or you know something I don't know, comment right there. Knock yourselves out. I'd love to hear from you. So let's listen to it first, at least to the first part of it, and then let's talk about what's happening. Love it. Nice build up there. I love it. All right. So that first part is really just the A note, whole notes. Gotta love whole notes. And then an open E to the G and back to the A. So I played on the 5th fret of the E string. Some people might play with an open A, like right here. Let me get my volume going up a little bit higher. But it's basically third finger for me anyway. The A, 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1. So just the A, E, G, A. That's the first riff, if you will. So that's it. Cool. So this next part is nice little change here. It's just it's a very simple pattern. It is going from the F, the high F here, to the D, 5th fret of the A string, to the C. So, and then it's going to change. It's going to go up a whole step to the G here, to the E here, and to the D here, and then back to the groove. The second time through, same pattern. It's going to go to the F, to the D, to the C, to the G, to the E, to the D, and then it's going to go C to B. So it sounds like this. And you can also play that C-B pattern up here. I do it here because it's just my hand's already here. And then back to the riff. Let's take a listen. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, well, so this next part is a cool little run that she does down the neck. The note sequence starts with an F sharp. She starts up here on the F sharp, a high, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A, B, D, and then high G, G, F sharp, E, D, G, F sharp, E, D. Does that, I think, twice. Let's play and see what happens. So there you go. All right, so this last part, the last change really is just a play off of octaves between the A and the D. It starts with an A. It's actually, I don't know that the song actually has this part. The guitar plays this part, but I like to play it because it just sounds cooler to me. But essentially it's this. I'll play it and then we'll talk about it. It's... So all it is this A here, the high octave of that A, G, E, A. And then the same thing, you're going up to the D, but without playing the low D. So that is a D, C, A, D. And then it goes back into the main groove again. So let's play it and see. I hope I'm in the right spot. We'll see here in a minute. Okay, and finally to the end of the song, there's they just kind of play themselves out a little bit, and it's really just a kind of a I don't even know how to describe it. It's the E, so it's an E to the A, kind of a, but essentially it's E, the 7th fret on the A string, E, G, E, A. E, G, E, A, E. And then he goes 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, and they finish on the low E there. Here, let's play it. I won't play too much of it because it's a little repetitious, but you get the idea. Let me see. Let me just give it about 20 seconds. There you go, sports fans. That's the entire song. Psycho Killer by the Talking Heads. Arnold Bell here. Like the video if you like it. If you want to see some more, if you have some requests that something you want me to do, I can't do any funky stuff like Victor Wooten or any of that kind of stuff. But simple songs like this one, I can sort of tear them down for you and walk you through them. So hit the like, hit the subscribe. I will see you next time. Awesome.